For the second dish, I will prepare cheese kebab served with green beans and pilaf rice. Cheese kebab is known as Arabic dishes. The ingredients are following. For the rice pilaf, alboleo rice, tarragon, chopped parsley and onions. For my garnish is a red cabbage and in the green beans. For the sauce is a yogurt and then dill with salt, pepper. Now I prepare the hot pan. I will put butter. In additional chopped onions. Now become brown. Now add the alboleo rice. In addition, aromatic oil with herbs. Additional soap stock. With salt and pepper and additional tarragon to add the taste of the pilaf rice. Set aside. Now I waiting to cook the pilaf rice. Now I prepare the kebabs. Meat kebabs. First, I serve the kebabs on the hot pan. And both sides should be brown. Now I prepare the sauce for the cheese kebab. This yogurt, dill, herbs with salt, with pepper to taste the sauce. Now I mix in a while. Oven 165 degrees Fahrenheit within 10 minutes. Now I parboiled the red cabbage in the hot pot. See the red cabbage for my garnish. Now I side. Now I saute the green beans with salt and pepper. In additional. And now I remove the cheese kebab. Now it's already cooked. In a hot plate, arrange the rice pilaf on the middle. Now I arrange the cheese kebab in the hot plate. Now this is the finished product, the cheese kebab with green beans and pilaf rice. For the third day, I will prepare moussaka. Moussaka is famous in the Greek country. Now the following ingredients are fried potato, fried eggplant, chopped onions, oregano, minced lamb, and then sliced tomato, salt and pepper, and then carrots, merapa, and then the garlic, and then the tomato paste, milk, flour, garlic, and Parmesan cheese. Now I put the butter. Saute the garlic, crushed garlic, then chopped onions. That's called mirepoix. With celery, becomes brown, add the tomato paste, then mint, lamb, now I add the oregano and pepper, and salt. Now I fry the eggplant and the onions. So this is hot pan. Now I put the onions. Now I remove the onions. I put in to sip the oil. Now to bread the flour, the eggplant, to bread the flour, and then fry. Then cook both sides eggplant. When it's cooked, remove in the hot. In the light sheet, I put the sauce of the moussaka. I arranging by sliced tomato and sliced potato and then the eggplant. Now I put now in the main sheet, arrange properly. First, arrange the eggplant. Sliced tomato with oregano, and then an additional fried potato. And then the fried onions. With oregano, sprinkled with Parmesan cheese. And the toppings of the mint, lamb with sauce, with tomato sauce, I mean. Okay, and now I make a bechamel sauce. This is called raw. Butter and mix with the flour. This is called white raw. Then additional the sauce, the milk, taste the bechamel sauce and pepper. Now, bechamel I put the top on the moussaka. This I will put in the oven in 165 degrees Fahrenheit and 15 minutes. Already 15 minutes. I figured out the moussaka already cooked.
You do not need that one right away.
I portion. Move from the baking sheet. Attention to the hot plate. Sprinkle with the Parmesan cheese. Now this is the finished this is the finished product of moussaka. Finished product is a Mediterranean dish. This beef consomme with emmental cheese, soup, and this is a moussaka with garnished with Parmesan cheese, and this is the kids Lorraine with bechamel sauce and cheese sauce, and then this cheese kebabs with boiled green beans and pilaf rice. Also this one from the Italy, this spaghetti fresh tomato sauce, and this the Mediterranean red snapper with boiled potato and Mediterranean sauce. All of these are my production today, and good day.